Welcome to NanoEdge. Today we are removing the old protection film off this Rolls-Royce. We are giving the car a wash, installing windshield and rear window protection, and we are also installing NanoGard Ultra Plus paint protection film on the whole car. Because a car like this deserves the highest quality product on the market. NanoGard Ultra Plus delivers the best protection from scratches and dust with a thickness of 8.5 mils. The film does not yellow and remains clear for a lifetime. And it also gives 80% more gloss to your car due to its nano ceramic technology. Ultimately, guys, this is all about the best product and customer satisfaction. A protected car and a happy customer is a job well done.